Courage is the most important of all the virtues because without courage, you can't practice any other virtue consistently. You will face many defeats in your life, but never let yourself be defeated. Life is going to give you just what you put in it. Put your whole heart in everything you do, and pray, then you can wait. A woman's heart should be so hidden in God that a man has to seek Him just to find her. Love life. Engage in it. Give it all you've got. Love it with a passion because life truly does give back, many times over, what you put into it. If I am not good to myself, how can I expect anyone else to be good to me? Everything in the universe has a rhythm, everything dances. It is time for parents to teach young people early on that in diversity there is beauty and there is strength. In all the world, there is no heart for me like yours. In all the world, there is no love for you like mine. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust, I'll rise. Most people don't grow up. Most people age. They find parking spaces, honor their credit cards, get married, have children, and call that maturity. What that is aging. If you have only one smile and you give it to the people you love. We all should know that diversity makes for a rich tapestry, and we must understand that all the threads of the tapestry are equal in value no matter what their color. I want to thank you, Lord, for life and all that's in it. Thank you for the day and for the hour, and the minute. Let gratitude be the pillow upon which you kneel to say your nightly prayer. And let faith be the bridge you build to overcome evil and welcome good. When we give cheerfully and accept gratefully, everyone is blessed. I think a hero is any person really intent on making this a better place for all people. I don't trust anyone who doesn't laugh. To those who are given much, much is expected.